there.
Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm CoverGirl Sensen. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so whenever I post you don't miss it. Okay, so I'm going to be making a drink today. Going to make the So I have condensed milk, which is sweetened milk, vanilla. I have malter, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, Irish musk, suppagent, Guinness, oats, some raw peanuts, and this is my nutmeg already grated. So I'm gonna get started with making my drink. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my videos. Okay. So this is raw peanuts, using a cup and a half raw peanuts. And get my oats. Okay. Next I'm going to be using my supplement.
I need to.
I'm pouring in my supplement. And a little bit of water, just to blend. I'll add more water later if it's necessary.
Can I turn the camera around and put it there?
No. This is giving me problems to close. What's going on? I'm supposed to down at the end, it doesn't matter. So I'm still blending my peanuts and oats. And I just add a little water. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications So my camera lady is my daughter. So I'm going to be putting in my Irish mask. Ooh.
My ice cream.
Where did I put my opener? I'm going to be adding my Guinness. This is my nutmeg. Alright, so video my stuff. This is my nutmeg that was grated already, so I'm just going to be pouring it in. I added a little bit of cinnamon powder. Not too much.
My ice cream.
Guys, like, comment, subscribe. My daughter wants ice cream, so I'm giving it to her this time. There you go. Okay, so let me get back to making my drink. I'm going to be pouring my sweetened condensed milk. Vanilla. I'm just going to be mixing it around to mix out the condensed milk and make sure all the flavors are together. Yeah, so I'm at Guys, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss the next time I post. Like and comment, guys, down below. Comment and let me know, you guys, how you make yours. I'm going to be adding my mortar. Comment, guys, comment. This is my first time recording, guys. So I make wigs. I'm CoverGirl Sensen. You guys want to know more about me? leave your comment, like, and subscribe. You guys will see when I'm doing my hair and making wigs and all that stuff. Like, comment.
You already did one of those with Shay.
And share. I'll post pictures of previous hair that I've done. This is the whole that I'm gonna need this whole container of milk. This one is too big. I guess smaller one. This jug is too small. Here again.
That's gonna overflow.
That's because it's gonna overflow. I don't think it will. It's because of the Guinness and the Malta.
That's why I can.
Let that there for a minute. And I just wanna taste to see how sweet it is. Oh God, this thing is so good. Guys, like and share, you guys need to make this real good. I'm gonna wait a little bit until this settles a bit. So I'm just gonna be closing up my stuff in the meantime. Guys, you know you can always get the supplement at the Caribbean store, the restaurants. Got the Irish mask and the supplement, and you know you can buy these in your local grocery store. Nutmeg and cinnamon and vanilla in the spice aisle, and you can get Malta. Basically, even Walmart or anywhere. Guinness, you can get it you know, at the liquor store, any liquor store basically. And this is just natural organic peanuts, and this is also organic oats that I buy from Mr. Sprouts. I'm in Colorado. And sweetened condensed milk you can get basically everywhere. Walmart, Sam's, BJ's, Costco, whatever store. Guys, Mall can get anywhere. Guys, so basically it's finished. It's real good. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so you know next time I'm on, you guys can see what I do. And next time I'll be coming with hair and all that good stuff. I'll be posting pictures with hair and stuff. So like and subscribe. You guys, I'm going to put my information at the bottom. You can order your hair in line, ship it straight to me, and I will make your wig and I'll mail it out back to you within 3 days. After finish, you will be getting your wig in the mail. So like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.